I found 13 different businesses you can start with one piece of software. That software is GoHighLevel, and I've personally made money with almost every idea on this list. Some of them pay $300 a month, some pay $1,000 a month per client. And all 13 run on the same $97 software, which means you could start one of these this week with no experience at all. Now, real quick, here's why I'm the one telling you this. I've been running my own social media marketing agency for years, and instead of just talking about it, I'm going to pull up my payment processor and refresh it live. There it is, 4,707 payments and a little over $5 million from clients in the last 12 months. That's roughly 350 active clients paying us around $1,000 a month each. I show this in every single video because there are way too many people teaching business on YouTube who've never shown one real number. So let's get into it, starting with the one that pays my bills. Business idea number one is social media management, and this is the biggest one on the list. Here's what changed for me recently. I don't make the graphics inside GoHighLevel anymore. I use ChatGPT work mode for that part now, and it's a completely different experience. The prompt starts like this. I need an Instagram carousel concept board for a new brand. Business sources provide at least one: website, Instagram, or social page. So you can pause right here if you want to read the whole thing. And if you want to copy it word for word, you can get all my prompts for free with the link in the description. But more on that later. It builds concept boards first, so I approve the direction before it makes a single finished image. I liked the first 5 and I asked for 5 more. Then I closed my laptop. It worked for 80 minutes and gave me 50 finished images across 10 posts, all size 1080 by 1350, sorted into 10 folders with a GoHighLevel upload file already filled out in a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. But here's the thing, the images aren't the business. The images are the easy part. The business is everything that happens after that, and all of that lives inside GoHighLevel. So I go to marketing, then social planner, then bulk upload, and I drop in that one file. This is the grand experience, a real event venue in Tucker, Georgia. One file, and every post lands on the calendar with the caption, the date, the time, and all 5 slides in the right order. Then here's the part nobody talks about. Before anything goes live, I add an approver, and GoHighLevel builds a private password protected link. My client opens that link and they can approve a post or reject it and type Y. You can see one come back right here that says, let's change this to Labor Day. Plenty of apps will schedule posts for you. Almost none of them let your client review and approve the work before it goes live. That's the difference between posting for somebody and managing their account, and it's why you can charge real money for this. And once one account works, I save the whole setup as a snapshot. Watch the assets load, 51 of them ready to drop onto the next client. Then I send a recurring invoice for $500 a month, set it to repeat monthly, and that client is done. 20 clients at $500 a month is $10,000 a month. And it takes me about 30 to 45 minutes per client per month, all handled through email and support tickets with no one-on-one calls. One last thing, when you pitch this, don't sell them AI. Sell them a month of content they never have to think about. Now let's move on to number 2. Business idea number 2 is building AI chat agents. And this one sells itself because every business owner is already losing leads in their inbox. I don't build these by hand anymore. I open Ask AI and I type one sentence. Create a conversation AI agent that responds to people who send an Instagram DM and follows up about questions or booking an appointment only for contacts tagged as a social media lead and not already booked. It writes the whole thing. It comes back with a summary table showing the name, the personality, autopilot mode, and a 2-second response delay, and it asks me to approve before it creates anything. Then it deploys to 6 places at once: SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, live chat, and the website widget. Same agent, 6 inboxes, and this isn't a demo account, this is mine. Over a 2-week window in June, it handled 146 messages across every channel. There's a pharmacy owner asking about promoting 2 locations, and the agent qualifies him and drops a booking link. There's a whole conversation happening in Spanish that I never touched. And over that stretch, 162 appointments were booked and 74 showed up. The AI didn't book all of those on its own, but it helped, and it never once made a lead wait. The AI suite for all of this runs $97 a month, so you can charge a client $300 a month for it and still keep most of that. Set it up once and it runs. Now let's move on to number 3. Business idea number 3 is AI voice agents, and this is the one that makes business owners freak out the most when they see it live. This is a live test call. The agent is named Sky.
Hey, Brandy, This is Sky, Life Marketing's AI assistant, and I am calling about your upcoming strategy call with us.
She opens by telling the person she's an AI assistant, confirms they're still coming, reminds them to check their inbox, including spam for the link, and gets off the phone. The whole call took 39 seconds, and the recording, the transcript, and the summary all saved automatically. Over 3 weeks, it attempted 115 calls and connected 111 of them. And here's the number that actually matters. Before I turned this on, one 6-day window had 50 booked appointments and 28 people showed up. That's a 56% show rate. During the voice agent window, 28 booked and 19 showed. That's 67.9%. It wasn't a controlled test, so I'm not claiming the AI caused all of that, but it was big enough that I kept it running. That's the pitch right there. You don't sell a business owner a robot, you show them how many appointments walked out of their calendar last month and you fix it. $300 a month for a 24/7 receptionist is an easy conversation. Now let's move on to number 4. Business idea number 4 is the one that requires 0 clients, and that's becoming a high-level affiliate. HighLevel pays 40% recurring, not once, every month for as long as that person stays. Here's my actual portal. 4,938 clicks, 1,865 referrals, and 437 customers. $35,725 already paid out to me, and another $10,983 sitting there waiting. And that took under a year. But here's how you actually do it, because nobody wants your link. You give something away first. I post a carousel, the last slide says comment proof, and when somebody does, HighLevel replies publicly and sends the DM automatically. That's a real comment coming in right there. And the biggest version of this is just teaching. 128 videos later, this channel is the reason most of those referrals exist. You don't need 41,000 subscribers. About 26 customers at 40% recurring gets you to $1,000 a month, and it keeps paying. Now let's move on to number 5. Business idea number 5 is selling websites, except you're not going to build them. I go into AI Studio and I type this: act as an elite website designer and CRO specialist, then build a professional website for Urban Element Landscapes, a full-service landscaping company based in Atlanta, Georgia. Then I hand it their Google listing so it pulls the real photos, the real reviews, and the real services. It researches the business, sets the branding, writes the copy, handles the SEO, and generates its own images. 25 tools later, there's a finished site. And the important part is right here, where it connects the form straight into the CRM, so every submission becomes a contact that you can follow up with. Charge $500 to build it and $97 a month to host and maintain it. The build is one afternoon. The $97 shows up forever. Now let's move on to number 6. Business idea number 6 is the biggest one on this list, and that's launching your own software company without writing code. Let me show you the company I'd copy. This is 99 Social. They've been doing this since 2012. They say they're trusted by over 10,000 small businesses, and they've been in Forbes and Entrepreneur. Their whole promise is real humans, not AI. Never AI slop in their words. And look at the pricing. It's $99 for 10 posts a month, $149 for 15, $189 for 20, and $279 for 30. That's just the post tab. They've also got videos, Instagram stories, Instagram growth, blogs, emails, and meta ads that run from $397 all the way to $987. That's a real business at scale on a $99 entry point. And you can build the same thing on top of HighLevel. You flip on SaaS mode, and now every client gets their own account that builds itself. There are 110 industry templates sitting there, so you're not starting from a blank screen. Then you open the size configurator and you set your own prices. Here I'm changing a plan from $197 to $297 a month live. I pick which features they get, I attach my snapshot so their account builds itself the second they pay, and I copy the sale link. That's it. That's a software company. 10 customers at $99 a month is $1,000 a month, and you never touch their account again. By the way, everything I've shown you so far is one login. Here's what that would cost you separately. Email marketing, $99 a month. Two-way texting, another $99. Workflow automations, $169. Analytics, $299. It adds up to $1,612 a month in other tools. The starter plan is $97 a month, and it includes the AI agent I showed you back in idea number 2. So one client at $500 pays for your software and leaves you about $400 on top. You can start it free with my link down in the description, and you'll get 30 days instead of the standard 14. When you sign up through that link, you also get into my community with over 100 video lessons, my full AI prompt library, and the rest of my bonuses completely free. And here's your whole first day. Connect one Instagram account and import 1 month of posts. That's it. Don't try to build all 13 of these at once. All right, let's get back into the list. Business idea number 7 is getting paid to launch other people's businesses. Every single day, people decide to start a business and then get stuck on step 1. You file the entity with the Secretary of State, you check the name is available, and you get the EIN from the IRS, which is free, by the way. Nobody should ever pay for that. Then you set them up properly, and this is where GoHighLevel does the heavy lifting. Buy the domain right here. It's $11 for a .com with free SSL. Set up a real business email on that domain and get them an actual business phone number so their cell phone stops ringing at dinner. That one's $1.15 a month. Charge a flat $1,500 to take somebody from an idea to open for business. And the best part is they're already inside your GoHighLevel account. So the monthly services on this list become the natural next conversation. Now let's move on to number 8. Business idea number 8 is running paid ads. And the delivery is what makes this one work. The ads themselves run on Meta and Google, but you can create and manage the campaigns from inside GoHighLevel. Marketing, then ad manager, then create campaign, and you pick your platform. And this is the part clients actually pay for. There's a Google Ads report, a Meta report, and an attribution report built right in, so you can show them which ad turned into which appointment instead of just handing them a spin number. The landing page, the form, the calendar, the follow-up, and the report all live in one place. That's what makes a $1,000 a month ad retainer deliverable by one person. Now let's move on to number 9. Business idea number 9 is selling automations, and you're going to build them by typing a sentence. Watch this. I click build using AI and I type what I want in plain English. Trigger when someone comments the word glow on any of our Instagram posts. Reply to their comment, then send them a DM with the guide, then hand the conversation to the AI agent so it can answer questions and book consultations. It analyzes it, sketches the flow, and wires up every step. No drag and drop, no watching a 4-hour tutorial, and here's one of mine actually firing on a real missed appointment. It pulled the contact, checked the calendar, generated a fresh one-time booking link, sent the text, sent the email, tagged them, and left a note. Every step green. That's the offer. Find the thing a business does by hand every week, automate it once, and charge $500 to build it. Most owners have 5 of them. Now let's move on to number 10. Business idea number 10 is reputation management, and this one is boring in the best possible way. Same trick, different money. I type this in. Build a workflow that automatically requests customer feedback after an appointment. If they leave 5 stars, thank them and send them directly to leave a public Google review. If it's 1 to 3 stars, don't send them to the review site. Collect their feedback privately, send an internal notification, assign the issue to a team member, and move the contact into a recovery pipeline. That single branch is the whole product. Happy customers go public. Unhappy customers go to the owner's inbox instead of Google. Then there's Reviews AI, which reads the review and writes the reply for you, and you can set it to post automatically or just suggest. $300 a month, it runs itself, and it's the easiest yes on this whole list because every owner already knows their reviews matter and none of them are asking for them. Now let's move on to number 11. Business idea number 11 is email and text marketing, which everybody thinks is dead and is quietly still the cheapest money in marketing. This is the same builder again. Send an instant confirmation text and email when someone books, remind them the day before, then check whether they actually showed up and follow up either way. It built the whole thing, 13 steps in about a minute. That's what email and text marketing actually looks like now. It isn't a newsletter blast, it's the right message at the right moment, and it's all triggered. And here's the piece almost nobody uses. You can rebuild the sending. GoHighLevel charges you a fraction of a cent per email, you charge your client a little more, and you keep the spread on every single send, on top of your monthly fee. Charge $500 a month to own their list and let the sending pay for itself. Now let's move on to number 12. Business idea number 12 is my favorite one to sell because the client already has traffic and they're already losing it. Same landscaping site from earlier. I ask it to optimize for conversions and it adds the 5-star rating badge into the hero, rewrites the call to action buttons, and then drops in a booking calendar and a chat widget. Now, a visitor can pick a date and confirm it without ever calling anybody. And the bigger version is building the funnel. This is that same venue. Step 1 collects the email and phone for a free pricing guide. Step 2 delivers it, shows the packages, and points them at a tour. It even preserves the tracking parameters and refuses to call itself finished until the form and the redirect have both been tested. You're not making anything prettier. You're taking traffic they already paid for and turning more of it into appointments. That's a $1,000 a month conversation, and it's the easiest one to prove. Now let's move on to the last one. Business idea number 13 is the one almost nobody on YouTube talks about, and that's building software for other agencies. HighLevel has an app marketplace, the same way Shopify does. You build something, you list it, and you keep 85%. They take a 15% revenue share, and you can sell it as a one-time purchase, a subscription, a freemium app, or on rebilling. There are 2,248 apps in there right now. The top one has been installed over 419,000 times. But look at this. When you filter to top paid apps, there are only 21. That's the gap. Here's a real one. SendBlue lets HighLevel users send iMessage instead of regular text, and it's been installed over 33,000 times from the marketplace. And if code isn't your thing, the smaller version of this idea still works. I used AI Studio to build a $39 digital product, the sales page, the checkout, and a secure access portal where every buyer gets their own code. That's a software business with no software. If I were starting over tomorrow, I'd pick number one. Social media management is the easiest to sell, the fastest to deliver, and it opens the door to 9 of the other 12. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.